Nasdaq actually today may start to pull back. Why I say so? I thought you saying this is a rebound, but is it actually the rebounds? Have we already started? Today I'm going to show you the chart and why I say today maybe basically they will start to pull back to this gap area again. So click like right now. This is only for education and I do it totally free just for you. And please give me a like as a support. So first thing we look at daily chart Nasdaq. I want to use some method. You can use the same in the future. So when we see a triangle like this, count the day, many days they go up, how many days they go down. So for example, when we see this small area, this seems like they start to have a pattern. Look, 3 day go up, 3 day go up, 3 day go up. And did we finish the 3 day? The answer is yes. Okay, number one. Number two, we still inside this gap, still above this gap area. And if they pull back here, it's possible it happened. Remember the scenario 1, 2, 3. Scenario 1, we stay above this just like this candle and go up again. Scenario 2, they directly drop below the gap area. If this happen, you need to well, this is education, but it means the stock will further drop faster. I mean faster, not slow drop, but fast drop. Okay. Another thing, because this one will become a resistance. Scenario 3 is also very likely to happen. Is they show a candle with a long lower wick and close above this gap area. Even within is fine, but as long as they stay above the low of this gap area, we are safe. Just like this candle. Okay, so to shake out the individual is a very good way to do that, is to drop below the gap, because usually retail trader, they don't really wait for the last 5 minutes to trade. They trade during the day. So if they drop below, many people will start to sell. And what happens is when they start to sell, you will see, is there any institution actually buying? And they close again above this gap or inside this gap. Okay, so this is a very good way to see any movement for institution. Of course, if you have my indicator, it's easier. So first thing, how to see if the rebound has already started or not. Look at the direction of the red line. We're still going downward. Although we go above this red, it means getting strong, but we're still going downward. What does it mean? It means short term, we are still downward trend. So it's not rebound. We are still actually inside this correction, okay, or pullback. And blue go downward. And it actually will tell us what is our trading strategy when the blue go downward. We try either not to buy anything, keep the cash, okay, because it's downward trend, or you do buy low, sell high. Okay, so basically this is the strategy when this is going downward, because when this going downward, you need to do short-term trade. For example, here. Okay, so you basically buy low and sell high. And when they have a very clear the red line going downward, you don't touch anything. Okay, so another thing, so you know today actually is a short-term high. So you're not supposed to buy any tech stock right now. Okay, if you bought previously here, because I told you this one will rebound, and you may start to reduce your stock because you're making profit. Okay, if you buying high here, it means you haven't followed my channel. So click like and follow my channel right now. And another thing, look at the money. Is it strong yet? Not really, right? We are still under zero. And now this is big volume trade. Institution, this is the total holding. They are reducing a little bit, but not significantly reduced. We still have a high percentage of institution holding. So this is good side. This is good side. When they really, really close, like when they really get low, then this is a very bad side. Okay, we haven't flashed a green candle here yet, right? This today we don't have a green candle here yet, so it's not too bad. But remember, the opportunity is when the situation become very bad. This, the blue tone downward, is just a warning signal to tell you, hey, sell. That's it. That's it. Of course, we sell here, and I don't want to repeat, so watch my previous video. And so right now, what is the strategy? It's likely we will start to pull back to this area, and then Hopefully they stay above this gap and they go rebounds again. Okay, and remember each time the rebounds, this is not a one wave. This is only 3 days candle. It's not one wave. Okay, so we still have some time to do it. And the thing is like here, if let's say you don't have my indicator, you can still see it. Actually, this is a downward triangle. This is a downward triangle. We create a lower low, lower high here, lower low here, right? We're just bouncing within this channel, and this is quite parallel channel. So let's see how it goes. So is it possible to go to this, the wick? Yes, because the lower part of this downward channel basically is close to this area, close to this area, and they will bounce up again. If they really go above this channel, this is one of the very good buying points. This is only for education purpose. But if you have my indicator, use this red line, please, because this it will happen faster than the traditional indicator. So it means when this going upward, this red line go upward, this is one of the buy signal. Again, this is just a rebound situation. So you don't go all in and you don't do margin here. I just want to cover you. I just don't want you to overtrade. Okay, so click like right now. See you next video. Bye.